Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of Alan Wake 2 game. So in the game, the night angles hurt is not showing and we're gonna fix it. So if you're also facing this same issue, then watch the video till end. First of all, check your system requirement. If it fulfills, then update your game and also update your graphic card drivers. After doing all this, simply restart your device, and if these method does not work, then go for some in-game solutions. First of all, it is not a bug. The reason why this issue occurs is because you haven't fully solved the case on Saga's caseboard. You have to unlock different things to ask people in Saga's mind using her profiling techniques. You also have to find clues by talking to other people and find manuscript to put together the clues. You have to profile night angle for 6 times and make Saga to figure it out on her caseboard. Then your issue will be resolved and night angles hurt will appear in the general store freezer. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.